What's my name?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
What are we going to do?
We're gonna decorate a Christmas tree.
No, we're not. What are we going to do?
We're gonna
Charles, what are you fixing to do?
On it, Sarah's feet.
Come on. Give me your hands. You got to put your tummy, honey. No, stand up. You get so tickled. Ready? Give me your hands. Whoa! Put your arms out. Whoa! Like a monkey. Put your arms out wide. You're like a frog. You're like a frog.
Time to go down.
Come here. Give me a hug.
Everybody give Aunt Sarah a hug.
Come here. I need a hug. I need a hug. Okay. No more airplane rides. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. You little monkey. Okay, Lindy.